Hello. Today what I want to do is show you the Mora Companion Spark. Now the Mora Companion is one of their best sellers. It's a great all-around knife from light to medium tasks. So they decided to use that design and attach a ferro rod to it. And also some lanyard. That is paracord. It's reflective and a smaller paracord. And this here just slides in this hole like this, and then it twists and locks into place. You unlock it and pull it out. So I want to share this knife and just show you how it works with the natural tinders I have in my area, and also the importance of knowing which tinders you have in your area and how to prepare them. The Companion Spark has a Scandi grind, same thing as the regular Companion. This one here is a stainless steel version, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how to prepare some of the tinders I have from fatwood, birch bark, and also just wood. Whichever dry dead wood you can find may be the only tinder that you can find. That is my ultimate backup if I can't find the other tinders. I also use fir resin as well. But just going to show you how this feathers, and also we're going to start a fire with some shavings and then with some fat wood and also the birch bark. Natural tinders are very important in case you do not have any man-made tinders, or if you're out of man-made tinders. So knowing a few that you have in your area can get that fire going where you'll fail if you do not have a tinder, especially with a ferro rod. A ferro rod takes a little bit of preparation, and knowing how to prepare the tinder that you have, especially in a survival situation, is very important. So let's make some feathers with this. And of course, Mora, as most people know, are a great knife, especially for the price. You're not going to get a much better knife. That's making some nice fine curls. Get those really fine ones right here, and then that will allow me to place my spark in there to get this going. The finer it is, easier it's going to take a spark. There we go. You can really carve deep with this, and if you ever use the Mora, you know how well this works, because it works basically the same as my other Mora companion, which is pretty darn excellent. Got the lanyard on as well. That there works great if you want to wrap it around your hand or something, just so you don't lose your ferro rod and so on. Me, I wrap it around, just if I'm going to have a lanyard on this, wrap it around the back side like this. Gives me nice firm grip on this. But this cut's awesome. And knowing just a few, which I just shared, natural tinders, very important. And you've seen how the Mora Spark will work with those. So having a ferro rod, this one here, it's only short, but has a 90-degree spine, very aggressive spine, and it really digs into this. It's a nice ferro rod in here as well. I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can check out all the stats and such. And yeah, if it's something that you like, check it out. I want to thank you for watching. Take care, and all the best.